Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to make this RFID based toll gate system. To build this project you need Arduino Uno, OLED display, RFID module, micro servo, breadboard and few jumper wires. To begin with, I'll build the circuit by connecting jumper wires to the modules first. You can refer the circuit diagram for building connections. For the Arduino program, you can check the description box below. After you upload the code, open the serial monitor. If you have issues opening the serial monitor, you can skip this step and directly tap on the RFID board. The OLED display, you can make a note of RFID tag. Now copy and paste the tag ID, that is display Arduino OLED module, to the Arduino program. Now re-upload the code again. These 3D printed objects are optional. You can find the links for these 3D printed things on the description box below. To finish this project, I'll put the entire electronics on a piece of board to make it look like a conventional toll tax barrier system. Now you may ask how this project works. Well, let me explain. When you tap an unregistered tag, the gate remains closed and the OLED display shows an error message. But when you tap on a registered tag, the gate opens. Hope you enjoyed this project. If you have any question, ask me in the comments. Thank you for watching.